Today's video is my second installment for the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Summer Collection. So kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung first video, yung lip booze lip swatch review, I'm gonna link it down below. Be sure to watch it. Pero if you're interested dun sa Glowtint or yung kanilang multi-purpose highlighter, then keep on watching. I don't have anything on my face right now. Like, sunscreen lang ang meron ako. Kasi mamaya, we're going to do as much as possible. I'm going to use as many glow tints as I can on my face. Pero bagong lahat, naalala ko lang ngayon, I was looking at this mini poster. So this is pudding, this is cheesecake, at eto si Chai Chai. I'm pretty sure mga cats to ni May Layug. Pero nagtataka ko bakit may halo na si Chai Chai. Is it because Chai Chai is an angel, like a really good cat, or something happened? Please let me know. I mean, I follow May as much as possible. I watch her stories kapag naaabutan ko or something like that. Pero hindi ko alam yung backstory with Chai Chai. But I'm really interested. So, let me know the comment section. So, ano nga ba ang Glowtint? First of all, packaging-wise, it comes in a clear acrylic or glass bottle. Kamukha siya nung milk tints, pero eto, hindi siya frosted. It's clear and it's beautiful. Kitang-kita mo yung loob. And it has a doe foot applicator as well. Sabi nga dito, it's a multi-use liquid highlighter na you can use to illuminate different parts of the face. You can use it as a highlighter or an eyeshadow topper. Plus, you guys, meron siyang aloe vera extract, vitamin E, at meron din siyang sodium hyaluronic. Merong 8 shades and it retails for 399 pesos each. It is on a pricey side, pero since multi-use naman siya, you're like buying it as an eyeshadow or buying it as a highlighter or even as a blush. Yes! So, before I use it on my face, eto muna, isa-isahin natin yung mga shades. By the way, yung swatch, dinivide ko sa 2 categories or something like that. Yung order. Yung inuna ko yung parang medyo tan, yung mga tan, brownie, golden something shade. And then sinunod kong batch is yung, ayan. And then sinunod kong batch is yung mga pinks. Para, alam mo yun, makita agad natin yung mga difference ng mga tans, golden, and yung mga pinky-pinky, and we have a purple shade. So first off, we have the shade New York, and it is your basic white, almost clear highlighter. Na definitely you can use as a highlight or pwedeng sa inner corners or something like that. Next shade is Nairobi. Very beautiful. Ito talaga, pwede to pang eyeshadow topper. Pwede rin siyang pang highlight, depende on your skin tone. Pwede to sa medium and fair. And you can also actually use it sa deeper skin tones. I really love Nairobi. Very beautiful shade. Next shade is Paris, and another beautiful shade, you guys, na you can use for eyeshadow and even for highlight, depende on your skin tone. Next shade is Dubai. Ito talaga, really opaque. Deep. Para sa akin, for my skin tone, it's quite deep para gamiting highlighter. But definitely, I'm going to use it for eyeshadow. Now let's go to the pinks. First up, we have London, a very bright pinky, light pink shade if you ask me. And for me, it's more of a brightener than a highlighter kasi hindi ganon ka, ang tawag dito, hindi ganon kahalata yung shiny, shimmering, splendid niya. So for me, London is a brightener more than a highlighter or eyeshadow topper. Next shade is Seoul, another beautiful pinky shade. Eto, pwede to pang ano talaga, pang highlight. Lalo na nga sa cheeks, if you have pink blush, ayan, pwede mo pang pabonggahin with Seoul. Next shade is Manila na masasabi kong pinky peach. And you guys, this is so opaque. I mean, I'm not gonna use this as a highlighter. I'm probably gonna use this as a blush or as an eyeshadow or eyeshadow topper. I'm not kidding. And last but not the least, so unique, we have Tokyo. Na alam mo, sa mga deeper skin tones, this is going to be very beautiful as a highlighter. Pwede rin siyang eyeshadow topper, pero I swear to God, highlight, lalo na sa mga deeper skin tones, divine. So ayan, nakita niyo ng mga shades. I hope I was able to show you yung mga shades as much as possible, as realistic as I can, you know, with the natural lighting. Pero yeah, let's put glow tint into action. Dahil summer collection, hindi tayo mag-full face makeup, but more on like minimalistic, glowing goddess ang goal natin. So first, I'm going to use itong Radiance tint. I'm using the shade 110 Pebble. And I'm just going to put this on areas na medyo nangingitim. Lalagyan ko na rin ng konting vanilla para i-even out lang yung skin tone ko. Lagay tayo ng konting vanilla over here. Just a couple of random dots. I'm not gonna cover that up because, like I said, I want it to still look, you know, natural. Nag-glam ka, pero summer-friendly pa din. So I'm going to take Dubai. And like I said, ito yung parang pinaka-opaque. And I feel like the best, not just eyeshadow topper, pero like eyeshadow itself. I love it. It's so nice. And then I'm going to get Nairobi. And maglalagay ako ng very, very slight doon sa eye bags ko. Because eye bags can be cute, you guys, if you just highlight it in a proper way or if you utilize it in a cute way. Pero hindi pa yan yung inner corner highlight natin. This baby girl right here is our inner corner highlight. This is the shade New York. And also brow bone highlight. Now, like I said kanina, etong shade na London, this is more like a brightener more than a highlighter. Well, depende on your skin tone. Pero I'm going to put this at the bridge of my nose. Oh, I love it. So before I proceed with the rest of my face, mag-eyeliner muna ako. Of course, mascara. So for blush, I'm going to use Manila. I'm going to apply it directly, just like that. It's so pretty. Diba? Summer na summer ang dating. So magka-contour muna pala ako. I'm going to use yung quad palette because yung contour stick is for another video. And be sure to watch out for it because it's going to be it's a different type of video, not just a swatch or something like that. So for my lips, I'm going to use yung lip boost in the shade Long Island. I'm going to be very generous with it. Pero syempre, why not include your body? Alright guys, so this is the complete makeup look. I use as many glow tint as I can. Honestly, glow tints, I love them. It does the job of being a highlighter, an eyeshadow, or an eyeshadow topper, and it's really perfect for summer. May mga shades lang na mas makinang than the other. Say for example, pag pinagtabi mo to, mas super kita-kita yung pagiging shiny shimmering nitong si Seoul more than kay London. Kay London, very, very subtle lang. Kaya nga nasabi ko na this is more of a brightener than a highlighter. Pero you can also use it naman as a subtle highlighter. Pero for my skin tone, Nairobi is my shade as a highlighter, as well as New York. Wala naman siyang chunk of glitters, pero etong New York, etong white, I use it as a brow bone highlighter. You can definitely see like tiny specks. I think all of them, merong mga tiny specks of glitter, pero hindi naman yung magmumukha kang clown or magmukha kang pang party or something like that. With proper use, proper amount of application on your face, it's really going to look beautiful. Now, you don't have to get all of the shades, lalo na kung budgetarian ka or nagtitipid ka. Just get the shade na alam mo you're going to use every day, you're going to utilize every day. So, mamili ka na lang depende on your skin tone. I-rewind mo yung video ko para dun sa swatch para makita mo talaga alin yung pasok dun sa skin tone mo. Pero hey, if you have the budget, you have the money, you want to get them all, go ahead, that's your money. Pero make sure na gagamitin mo lahat. Kasi kahit na may money ka or may budget ka, hindi pa rin maganda na bumili ka ng mga gamit na hindi mo naman magagamit. But yeah, for $3.99, if it's multi-use, multi-purpose naman, sige, forgivable. But still kind of expensive for me. Pero sige, push. Actually, medyo ano naman siya. Para siyang yung quad palette highlight. Gawin mo lang liquid. Also, very, very quick ano lang ha. Kasi may mga shades na really creamy. Pero may mga shades na runny, liquidy na, alam tawag dito, ayan o, lalabas sa bote kapag ka nakatao. Pero let's say, itong si Nairobi, wala akong nakikitang nagra-run palabas. Gets. Pero itong si Manila, I don't know, it's really runny or liquidy. Is it because of the shade? Iba-iba ba talaga sila? Testingin nga natin. Ito, may tutulo ba dito? Dito wala. Tingnan natin itong si Tokyo. Okay, si Tokyo, mabilis tumulo. So, yon. Be careful lang guys ha. I'm not sure kung baka sa inyo hindi tutulo. Hindi ko alam the reason why. Pero, regardless of the shade, ingatan nyo pa rin. Kasi baka mamaya hindi nyo napapansin. Ako pa naman, nakaganyan. Tapos nakaganyan. Hindi ko napapansin, nagagano ko na pala yung bote. Anong shade yung mararecommend ko? Ako personally, I'm going to get Nairobi. This is my shade talaga for highlight. And then, I'm going to get Manila to get this really beautiful, shiny, shimmery, pero subtle blush. Ito. And then, I'm going to get Dubai because ito yung pinaka-swak talaga as an eyeshadow topper or eyeshadow itself. Lalo na sa skin tone ko. So, etong tatlo, yung personal favorites ko, pero palagi kong inuulit sinasabi sa inyo, depende yon sa skin tone and sa undertone niyo kung alin dito ang kukunin nyo. Pero I hope nakatulong ako dun sa swatch and with my very, very quick makeup demo. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. Again, abangan niyo yung third installment ko ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Summer Collection because it's all about contour. Again, thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!